Crypto as easy as 1, 2, 3. We have pre-recorded videos to get you caught up on the current terminology and what's going on with crypto. We have live mentorship, over 60 plus different educators, live mentorship. And then we have AI-driven apps like what you see on the screen here. One of my favorites is called Swipe Coin. So first I told you what we have. Now I'm going to show you what we have. This is actually in the back office right here. If you were to be a member of IOVIA with us, we have thousands of people across the world, and we encourage each other with trading and investing. But to get you started, we have a pre-recorded videos right here. For example, stocks and crypto course. We have 17 different lectures, 75 minutes, and it just gets you caught up on the latest lingo and what's going to get you caught up to speed, right? And then we have live mentorship. We have over 60 plus different educators. We have 4 different live channels. We have a foreign exchange channel, stocks and crypto channel, digital marketing e-commerce channel, and a personal development channel. Let's take a quick look at the stocks and crypto channel. Right here on the screen, you see one of my favorite educators is Curtis Cobain. If you were to begin being a student with us, I'd encourage you to watch his every Monday at whatever time zone you're in. He has a portfolio watch, and it's very, very helpful. Helps you to learn how to build a portfolio. And this kind of brings me to attention that, a lot of times I do a lot of research on YouTube as well, and each YouTube person generally has their own educational platform. This is 60 plus different educators on one platform, one membership, and you get access to 60 plus different educators, Sunday through Saturday, all kind of education. Then we have several AI-driven apps that help us navigate the market. For example, if you were in the stocks and crypto channel with a lot of us, you'd have access to these 5 apps. The 2 on the right, the 3 on the right are the ones I'm the most familiar with. I'm working on, I'm interested in learning the other 2, but I'm just been focusing on Swipe Coin, Scalper, Levels, and the My Swipe Coin. The My Swipe Coin is really interesting. That's where a lot of the educators post their ideas about zones and stuff and what they think is going on in the marketplace. The Swipe Coin Scalper and the Levels, once you learn how to work the app, like this one right here, this is Swipe Coin. As you'll see, the red and the green and the red zones was actually given to us by either one of the teachers or the system. And as you can see, it's if you're scalping, if you're a day trader, it would get, change that. It would give you a zone. Like, for example, if you were watching this, if you were doing your day trading, once we broke this zone right here, once we dropped below this zone and closed below this zone, you could have entered a short right there, meaning the price is going to go down. You could have entered a short and profited. The good thing about crypto and day trading or scalping is that we can profit when the price goes down and when the price goes up. So in this case, the price is going down. We can put our trade on that the price is going down. And then once it gets far enough, you can set your stop loss. So like right below your entry, so that you don't lose any money on the trade. That's one thing that you learn. So this is a close-up look at what's going on this is Bitcoin compared against the US dollar. Each candle on the screen is 15-minute candle, right? So now we're going to look at a 4-hour. This is also Swipe Coin, but I've applied some of the tools to give me more information. Now you see the red bars across. That is my level of resistance where I have. Now this is based on the 4-hour time frame. So this is a much more zoomed out approach. It kind of takes what could be a scalp trade into more of what is a swing trade, because the 4-hour time frame takes a lot of times several days for things to play out, even weeks sometimes. But this is definitely on the 4-hour time frame. Now let's look at levels. Right now, this is levels on the 15-minute time frame. So we're trying to find zones right in the 15-minute time frame, and you can see the red box is the resistance zone. The blue box is the support zone. And so we can trade off of that. Not financial advice, but we can make our decisions on what we want to do. Do we want to go sell? Do we want to sell from the red, or do we want to go long from the blue? But the thing is I'm not going long from the blue right yet, but I'm in a short. I will take a profit in the blue zone because I believe we're going to go lower. Matter of fact, I'm going to lay out the position. This is my position chart. So one chart was for the day trade. This chart is for the end of like 2025 and into 2026. So these are my speculations based on all my research, and I'm just kind of seeing what happens. Now, I started writing this out in the beginning here, but you can see we're definitely look like we're coming towards one of these areas here. So that's why I feel like I'm going to have a good zone of entries in this zone right around from 64 to 71-ish. So could potentially be the bottom of this time. We'll see. I feel like we have a strong level of support, but could go lower. There are talks of going to the $40,000 range. You can see it right there. It's definitely could get hit. We'll see. But I'm grateful that we do have this pullback. Bitcoin is off about 30% down from its high. It got up to about 108,000, and now it's 80,000, $30,000 difference. So I feel like I'm grateful because it's a good time to keep buying. And if you're a believer in the Bitcoin. So anyway, the what I'm looking for, the next level of major support or resistance to get up and above is like that 109 to 120,000 range. It'd be a good place to take some profits. That's a profit taking zone for me. And then as we go on, I feel like we could go on up to 180 sometime hopefully in this year. So we'll see. Maybe not. Maybe it drags out. Maybe it drags out to a long, painful, low price. But you just work with what we got. And this is my speculations right here for 2025. Now, this is all just based on what I'm learning from the academy, from the basics, from the fundamentals, to the live education, to the AI-driven apps. So if you have any interest or any curiosity about joining with us and our team of investors and traders and educators and joining along with us and having this fun ride, one of my mentors said that between now and 2034, it's basically a Bitcoin gold rush, because by 2034, they say approximately 99% of all Bitcoin will be mined. So just think of it that way. Get educated, learn, educate yourself, find out why this movement is happening. From what I've rumored and heard from educators, is about 3% of the world is only using crypto yet. So we're still so early, and we're before the governments get involved. A lot of governments wanting to get involved. So us as people have a chance to front run governments as far as getting in on this opportunity. So thank you for your time and energy. Be blessed. Message me the word markets to 520-400-9573 if you're interested in collaborating, or click the link that's on the YouTube, and be blessed. And remember that health is wealth, cash flow is king, cash is queen, and credit is freedom. And be blessed, and I'll see you next time.